rising above, out of the grave. Grave, living our truth, feel the wave. Wave.
Stay with me till the end of days. Together we'll soar through the dark, find our way. In this world of doubt, you're my beacon. Every day is getting colder, but we'll brave the night. Like birds of a feather, we'll stick together. Facing any storm, we'll brave it forever. Rising above, out of the grave. Living our truth, feel the wave.
In my dreams, your eyes like beams lighting up the night. Take flight, to keep you close, I'll make any sacrifice for you. I'll give everything, even the high horse.
Like birds of a feather, we'll stick together. Facing any storm, we'll brave it forever. Rising above, out of the grave. Living our truth, feel the wave. Bound by fate, it's our destiny. Stay strong, keep faith alive. In this life and the next, you're a part of me. Can't change the weather, might not be forever. Forgive the past, embrace the future. Live with purpose, find your nurture. No kings or queens, when love begins. There's no sweeter innocence than our gentle sin. In the chaos and soil of this earthly scene, only then I'm human, only then I'm clean. Like birds of a feather, we'll stick together. Facing any storm, we'll brave it forever.